YouTube. I go by the name J Pop, but ladies call me the dog, little master chocolatier, you feel me? It's a new day for a new vlog, you feel me? Right now it's Saturday, 29 November. Yeah, well, we are supposed to be going to our pool party, but we can't, you feel me? Don't worry, I got you guys. We're gonna go to the Groove, because public meta bar is not coming, so I'm going with my nigga, Lion. So yesterday we went to buy some a box of Corona, like for just me and him. So today we are going to buy some what you call 'em? Short. So come with us, guys. We go to buy this. So Cheba, most important is long okuseni. So Cheba, bovuka ngoku ngonibhalela. Ngishona umfonela uba manikhawuleze sihambe sokucaba ngokuseli. So I'm crusty as fuck. So right now I'm going Salimala, then we're gonna go. But I'm gonna show you the alcohol, plus it's weird down and shit. Guys, now on YouTube. Right now.
Ngiyazukuthi awujabuli mangibona ngifeza iphupho lami.
5 minutes later.
Umu 2023 wena. Say. Yes, when. It is a series and is in very. Say pia lembila si big. Smile on camera. No. Aí que tá babo.
Vera, lo bueno, usted más,
Oye, que tá babo.
Beza ele, não fez ele.
Abana nabaza bangathi ngoku Chase Cloud.
What's the way of the day, mntana?
Somebody Chase Cloud ngoku yawo. Word of the day. Word of the day. Life fucks us all. Nobody dies of virtue.
Yo! Phezu Lion apha.
Ya, you know. Yayazi.
Kwenza kanti namhlanje.
Namhlanje siyakhipha ta.
Keep up. It's too much. Hey, sukuza apha wena. Hayi, mjonge.
Ayilotho sekapa apha nomlalo.
Akusekapha. Hey, ungaza apha. Uzoba famous. Waza. Cela sibambele ikamera. Usondeze kuthi. Cela sibambele ikamera. Hey. Lele, cela sibambele ikamera. Ibambe so. Asondela sibhekela. Umnyama asibamnyama thina. Okay, namhlanje what's happening? So much. What's going on, boy? Utihona. Inoniona. Yeah, the horn. Oh yeah, the horn.
What does it mean? Hona.
Iswaga lawe. Ayina lawe to face reaction. He's selling art and seller pine twist. But it's come to. I said, iswage ona. Iwig idura mahala. Mna ndifuna unibethele playable 3000. 3000 playable. Yes. Yeah. Hi, Lion. We are here all day. We're getting fucked up, famous. We were here all day, getting fucked up. Doing a better for reviews.
Oh, Grand Def to Grand. CJ Grand Def. Kamera kana taniyo kupeperu.
Ay, boy. Malukulwa. Kanukula, sibona ikamera ndiyekukula uyilwana.
Ratoma. Mufukeng. Kutwa, it doesn't matter who we are. What matters is the plan.
Hayi ke silungu
Kule kutwa. It is with Tiri.
Ratoma.
Handies and feet.
Ayifunda letho i-50 ngapha, i-30 ngapha, mahala ngapha. Into zoyiva so. Hayi. Oh, hayi, having fun. So unxiba ijezi ngoku. Jesus, kuphapha ndiphi? Andazi noba. Whoa, fuck. Wait. La one. Siphi?
Godole ndanye.
Sigodolisa. Yabona, xa sagoduka sonxiba ijezi cause godole sanye.
Kuyabanda kaHansi guys.
Yo, ingazi.
Hayi.
Manje imba besikuphula phakathi besinyo. Sipha sebhongweni. Yo,
Ebhongweni.
yes. So much. Okay. I'm sure umuntu efuna uba uyazi ba i-pool party ihambe njani and stuff. But asikhanga siwafumana amatikiti. Not like imali asinayo for wathenga. Just that amatikiti khasiwafumane. Twalidiniwe ngoku.
That's pavement.
Yeah, okay. Superman ngoku.
Pavement.
So guys, it was too much namhlanje. So ngu-12 ngoku but it was too much izolo. Too much so find out uba kwenzeka ntoni. Hip hop hour ayikangeni. Show utywala bethu phaa. Uba babuselile hayi akho ngxaki. Besizobusela nathi kakade but sinxilile thina. Obushekileyo. Andazi sobutya ngomso xa sobutya nini. But ke sobutya. Sikhamba.
Babiwa abantu abaphandle yong. Hey. Ngabiwa abantu bethu yong. Hey.
Yeah?
Babiwa abantu phandle.
Biwa phi abantu basigodukela abantu.
Hayi yabona nababiwa abantu apha.
Abantu abiwayo. Bayabiwa abantu.
Umntu uhamba nomntu dani ngoku.
Umntu wama nomntu akava ba unomntu lesithaveni hamba uyomjonga ngoku. Otherwise umkile umntu wakho bese sibonayo jonga nangomnye gqiqa xa sikwazi ubaveza because bazibambise niyabambisa nina yho iveni izarho
amagama ayadura. Hey.
hayi kuhamba yedwa but now abanye besisi ngamajita kodwa la but ke come though stay with us.
Amajita ayatya amajita.
Ndive loo nto izolo.
So anothi amajita ngamabini. Aya amajita wethu ekoduka. Ubukazama usina wethu.
Kodwa bayithuni ngamajita.
Ya njani. None kushaya wedwa public tavern ikoduki.
Once.
Inyamalala uzibuze ukohame yini into ezi.
Oh kodwa nami sendlini yami. Sokwenza ntoni? Hayi. But come though. Stay tuned to find out kwenzeka ntoni etavern. Umuntu wama nobani. Uba ubona umuntu wakho apha kwi-vlog, just know uba utyela. Type is calm though.
Kamacamera.
Kwenzeka ntoni? What's happening?
Yo,
that is too much. People are fighting. Libethiwe.
uri wena ufuna ntoni kwezambila da.
Ibethe into engazaziyo.
Otherwise, welcome to the vlog and
Khona ukuthi welcome.
subscribe da. Push the button man. Sifuna imali.
To subscribe.
Subscribe pa sifuna imali thina. Sifuna imali. Subscribe.
Ibethiwe into engayaziyo.
Unxili.
Wathi uyaphila.
Ngamangazana.
Ibali ivukenza esibhedlele.
Ngamangazana.
Uyaphila. Angomankazana. But it's calm though. Welcome to the vlog. 101, 103, 104.
Do that, subscribe, like, follow. You know what you do most.
You know what to do best. Do the most. Time.
Subscribe, man. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Azikuvanga. Yeah. Oh, it's too much. No more. What the fuck is going on? Oh. I don't know too much. Andiyazansi. Uqabula understand. But we still have a 6-pack engavulwa. I can pull up there. No. Calm down.
Pô, tá como tá doendo, tô andando só, cara, pô.
Too much, bro. Bayakhala ngoma my friend andiyazi kodwa too much. Too much.
10 years later.
Yo, what up everybody? It is your boy Public Mental Buzzer and welcome to another vlog. Another day, another vlog. It's December time, guys. We're gonna be consistent. Well, it's about consistent. And we back. We back, baby. We back. Follow us as we go. And I don't know, December. We're just gonna December. And we're in the pause. In the pause, a lot is gonna be going on. So get spanned, but I'm doing this shit for you. For you watching this video right now. Right now, behind me, I have the Dark Lord. Dark Chocolates!
Dark Lord.
Dark Lord. Pause.
Dark Lord,
Pause. Holy Glaze. Holy Glaze. Holy Glaze, wow.
Yo, Sabila. Know what's going on? Slap up us koyo. Bando to Zoyaz. Okay, for me, right now, it's a groove. Guys, it's late. That's why I'm going to late groove. You know about English group.
I don't know.
But we are late. You can feel it because it's late.
Yeah, officially, it's Lapa
Pacific. But drink responsibly.
5 minutes later.
Hey, what up, everybody? It is your boy, Public Mental Buzzer, and it's going down. And I'm calling your father. I'm calling your father. I'm calling your father. I'm calling your father. It's going down. This is a tiara. Yeah, bro. Kudala sinanqini. But ngoku we are back and we are running back. Bras, sanuthandana namacheri. Sanuthandana wayeke namacheri. Uthando landodlula. Kwami Nimdala nakuwe, nikumkhuluwa nakuwe.
Awusebenzi wethu. Awusebenzi wethu. Very nice. December, come to this place. You know the place. Everyone come to the dance. Heavy. What does that black?
Hey, yo, what up, everybody?
Too much, Baba.
Yeah, the vibe is too much. The vibe is too much.
The vibe is too much.
The vibes are vibing.
People are having fun.
People are having fun.
Isikhathi sokuyekhaya singabuyi. Sithanda amantombazana wethu. Remix.
Bro, they're handsome, no. That's the problem. They're handsome. So,
asifumananga enikhen nizifuna
Zabala utshwala yonke into. The women that want me have traumas and bafuna amankazana ne-trauma.
othi buye sathi sokuyekhaya singabuyi.
So after this yep session,
ixesha wangu-2
yeah.
siyagoduka wangu-2
After this yep session,
ango-2 sogoduka o
mna negoduka. Utapablo yena akagoduki yena. Pablo yena akagoduki.
sogoduka what the fuck.
Akagoduki yena. Akagoduki. Oh, okay.
Cut that now. What's going on? YouTube. I go by the name Jeff Harvey, my ladies comedy Dublin. What the chocolate? Yeah.
Feel me?
All my dead homies.
Nigga, this is Public Mental Party and you know, it's Jan Mukwayo, Slim Ray Ageko, but we're gonna still to continue this thing.
Mela, I go by the name Lord Pablo, my ladies comedy Dublin, my section here. Lord Pablo.
Guys, it's going down. It's going down. Look at that.